I'm Madison with My Stack Box, your local family-owned company that specializes in portable storage. Here at My Stack Box, we have 3 different choices of sizes for containers. Here, a 16-foot, a 20-foot, and an oversized 20-foot. All of our containers have extra large double swinging doors on each end of the container. This is a huge hit with all of our customers. It makes their life so much easier being able to unload and load our containers from either end. All of our containers also have a dual ventilation system which keeps a figure-8 movement of airflow throughout the container, along with being completely steel, so there's no wood or plastic on our containers, and they are waterproof, not just water resistant. Call us today to reserve your My Stack Box.